Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify your TikTok business account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the profile icon at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and you'll be redirected to your profile page where you can see menu option at top right corner. Just tap on it, and now you can see setting and privacy option. Once you click over there, you can see the account option at top. Now you need to tap on that option, and finally you can see switch to business account option. Finally click over there, and now click on next again. Now you need to choose any of the category from here, and now finally click next again. And now you need to add your email address over here and some more formalities, and once you complete your formalities you will be able to verify your TikTok business account successfully. So basically this is how you can verify your business account on TikTok. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.